Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft OneDrive personal vault error 0x80070490 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now I have two commands for you, but before running these commands, you need to know the username of your computer. So how would you check that? Go to this PC, check users, and you will notice your username here. Mine is gaming. So for the first command, replace this word by the word via username. Okay, and let us check if it works. Press the Windows key and the R key together, paste it here and hit enter. No, it didn't work. So we'll try the next command. Press Windows plus R, paste it here, hit enter. This one worked and it is resetting OneDrive and it will relaunch it. So when it relaunches it, it will fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.